This video will guide you through unboxing and using Insta360 X4 Air for the first time. Insta360 X4 Air is available in two colors, graphite black and Arctic white. The standard bundle includes the following. Before using X4 Air, you need to insert a memory card. Press the two latches on the side inward to remove the battery. Insert the memory card in the direction shown. Reinsert the battery and press down firmly until it clicks into place. Ensure the orange mark is not visible to maintain the camera's waterproof seal. Activate camera. Press the power button once to power on the camera. Scan the QR code on the camera's touchscreen or search Insta360 in your phone's app store to download and install the Insta360 app. Turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then open the Insta360 app and grant the necessary permissions, such as network and Bluetooth. Tap Search for Camera, then Connect. For the first connection, confirm it on the camera's touchscreen. Finally, tap Activate. Shooting and Playback. The camera is in 360 video mode by default. Press the shutter button once to start recording. Press it again to stop. Swipe right from the edge of the touchscreen to enter the album and view your footage. Swipe left from the edge of the touchscreen to return to the shooting interface. Charging. Open the USB port cover on the side of the camera and connect the USB-C cable to charge it.